To the front entrance, there's a statue of the architect of apartheid, Hendrik Verwoerd. So that is what it is all about, maintenance and continuation of apartheid. And the economic freedom fighters will never accept or tolerate any form of racist apartheid continuation in South Africa. So we expect the court order to be implemented. We expect the law to take its full course. It is unconstitutional in terms of Section 9 of our Constitution to implement any form of discrimination and racism. And those who continue to perpetuate racism, who continue to also perpetuate this settlement of Kleinfontein, must be charged, they must be arrested, and they should go to jail. Because we take the issue of racism very serious in South Africa.
He told us about special zoning, but when white people occupy farms that are supposed to be for agricultural purposes and they use it as a residential area, they are not removed. They are not told about special zoning. We don't want them to only be rendered illegal. We want their houses to be demolished. The same way our houses are demolished when we go and occupy land in the southern farms of Gauteng. We want their houses to be demolished. The same way when we say we want to occupy land in Alexandra, in a land called the Witwatersrand land in Alexandra, we were told that we can't occupy there. Our people every time when they occupy, they get shot at by rubber bullets. But when white people occupy, they are given free time to can build mansions, houses, and even sanitation in a proper space. So comrades, we want not only the municipality to render this settlement as illegal, but to demolish all these settlements. Amandla! Away,